Hi, this is Terry Naturally. I'd like to spend a few moments talking about a special herb that I like. It's called Hintonia lactiflora, an herb that has been used for hundreds of years in Mexico and Central America by the natives. But a company in Germany was attracted to it and they decided to do the research. They heard about the natives liking it and they just wanted, is this true or not? So they did 60 years of research on this herb and came up with about 5 or 6 very good clinical studies, and it worked very, very well for supporting healthy blood sugar levels and A1C. This has been an herb that's been on the market now for a number of years, and it's now available in the United States from your Terry Naturally. And you use about 1, 2, or 3 capsules daily. I like to recommend 2 to 3 capsules daily, and this is a very good way to support your healthy blood sugar levels and your A1C. But along with that, what I like to do is I like to compare it with healthy feet and nerves. This is a very good combination that if you use them both together, you really get really good results. And what I like to do with the healthy feet and nerves, I like to recommend 2-3 times a day to really saturate the body with the nutrients that are in the capsules, and you will get much better results in a combination. So what I say, try it. And if you don't get results, you don't love the product, it's backed by a 100% money back guarantee.